Alright, these have been sitting on my shelf for far too long, and I think it's time I open these. So, I've already got nicer quality ones that aren't bent up. But I specifically bought this to open. I'm a Toyota guy. I like Toyotas, and I like to collect them. And look, it's the new TNGA-T Lexus LX. And it's got cool features. I was really excited to see this one, and when I saw it in stores, I bought two. One so I can open and goof around with. I guess no, not really. Just, I admire a good 1/64 scale, but then another to put away in a box. So I did that. Same with this one. And I bought a Jeep truck. It's just a Motor Max Jeep Gladiator. It's this very cool olive drab kind of color, sort of military looking shade of green. And I'm going to put this on a shelf somewhere because Jeep truck. But I'll start most plain to least plain. Opening parts. Toyota 4Runner. Legendary Japanese built Toyota 4x4. Oh, focus please. There we go. Oh, look at that. That's fun. I mean, it looks like it's dirt. I mean, it's not supposed to be like that, because look at this side. This side's fine. Oh, there you go. Looks like it got scrubbed by a semi-truck tire. Maybe it's mud. Maybe we'll pretend we'll pretend it's dirt, and it gives this model some character. Yeah, this is it says it's an 18 4Runner. Yeah, they pretty much were unchanged from 2014 up until I think 2024 is the last year for this body style, and then 25 you'll get a new one based on the TNGA-T platform. This one is SR5 with the SR5 off-road package. So instead of this being black, it's a silver accent, which I like that. It has the SR5 off-road hood. And it's Barcelona red metallic. So that's nice. I like this. 2014 Toyota 4Runner. Made in Thailand. It's a 2022 casting. So nice to have a little 4Runner. I like this. It's pretty good quality. The graphics don't line up the best, but I suppose it's not going to be perfect. And of course, this little mud spot. But yeah, SR5. All right, we're going to open the LX now. I'm really excited for this one. Terrible. All right. I like this. Oh, yeah. Now we're talking. Oh. Is that as far as that opens? I guess so. There's the pivot. It only opens about that far. It's quite difficult. Ooh, yeah, if I pull any more, it sounds like it's going to break. So, not going to do that. This looks cool. Pretty nice details. These kind of line up well. Not too bad. The Lexus decal is just a smidge off center. This one has an interior, so that's nice. But yeah, the details are pretty decent. Ooh, there we go. '22 Lexus LX. There you go. Now time to get this one open. And I didn't come unprepared. There's scissors in the background, which usually I have my pocket knife on me, but I don't. Jeep truck. It's got nice details on it. Oh, look at that. See, it's been a while since I've opened a diecast, but this is cool. Little plastic ones. You don't have to get the screwdriver. I came prepared. I came prepared with a screwdriver because I expected there to be screws on the bottom of this. But these little threaded, coarse thread screws are really kind of cool. I appreciate that. Makes it easy. We're getting to the end here. I want to just drop this on the table. Oh, but that fell anyways. That's fine. Just part of the plastic base. All right. Let's get this strap off. Go. Shoo. There you go. Pretty detailed view of the cabin. Feels very cheap and plasticky. It's actually kind of hard to tell what's cast and what's plastic. It's nice that the body itself is cast, but lots of cheap, crunchy plastic. But it's a Walmart die cast. It's Motormax. It's not the best, but it's okay. The details aren't too bad. It's just a very, very plasticky, and oh man, the interior is pretty ugly. Salt axles. It's definitely, it feels cheaper even than like a welly. I have a... One moment, please. I have a $13 welly here that is considerably nicer than the Gladiator. And I think this was like $10. So I know it's cheap, but wow. Yeah, it's not. I mean, it's a Jeep Gladiator. You get the point. But it's very cheap feeling. And even this welly has wheels you can turn. And, I mean, this one's kind of janky because the door, the top of the door here interferes with this. But it's still, even the interior is considerably nicer than the Gladiator. For a couple bucks more, you could have had a BMW. No, I'm kidding. It's okay. And ooh, oh, rubbery mirrors. I mean, that's a plus. At least they won't be so prone to break off. Looks like this welly has solid mirrors, and they're glued right to the glass. So that's really, you bump this around too much, that'll break off. So maybe that's a redeeming feature of this. I don't know. Like the door's very loose. It's affordable. That's fine. I won't judge it too hard. Oh, yeah. It looks kind of like a Jeep underneath. Been under one of these before, but it's... Yeah. Yeah, definitely something that you would expect out of an old diecast. Like an older, maybe like 10, 15 years ago, but... it's cheap. It's alright. It is what it is. Alright. Well, that's it. Now I've got some trash to discard, but bam. Gladiator, Lexus, and 4Runner. See ya.